After flirting with a trifold concept, Samsung is now rumored to be working on a wider foldable, much like the Huawei Pura X. We've already seen early CAD renders, and the device has even cleared India's BIS certification. Now, the rumored Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide has also surfaced in the One UI 9 codebase. Newly discovered graphics reveal an outer display mirroring function, along with a form factor that clearly diverges from Samsung's current Galaxy Z Fold lineup. Dig into the image assets, and you'll find file names referencing the codename H8, which has previously been tied to Samsung's so-called wide fold project. As for the shape of things to come, previous reports hint at a 4:3 aspect ratio for the internal display. Demo images and animations show an aspect ratio hovering around 1.3:1, which is effectively 4:3 in practice. For context, the existing Galaxy Z Fold 8 leans closer to a 1.11:1 ratio, giving it a more square-like profile. Now, that's not to say there won't be the regular Galaxy Z Fold 8. The Wide is a new addition to the lineup. Based on CAD renderings, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide measures 123.9 by 82.2 by 9.8 millimeters when folded. When opened, it thins down to just 4.9 millimeters at its slimmest point. The outer screen is said to be 5.4 inches, while the inner display stretches to 7.6 inches. Under the hood, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide is expected to mirror the standard model. That includes a custom Snapdragon 8 series chip, up to 16 gigabytes of RAM, and as much as 1 terabyte of storage. It's also expected to come with a 5,000 mAh battery with support for 45W wired and 25W wireless charging.